Hi everyone, we're looking at the new knife here. It's SOG Aegis. This one is very popular. You can find the reviews on YouTube. Like there's a lot of the videos about this knife. Okay, I'm reviewing this knife because I just got this knife in 2015. And this is new case, comes with it. I like the case because basically it states all the specifications about this knife. So let's take a look at it. The specification about this knife here, it says it's a folding blade. Blade length is 3.5 inch. Weight is 3.1 ounce. Overall length is 8.25 inch. The blade steel is AS8. And the handle material is glass reinforced nylon. The finish of the blade is satin polished, and they suggest as everyday carry. So this is the case that comes with it. It's different than the years back. I like this one. Okay, let's look at the knife itself. Okay, here's the knife. Okay, let's take a close look at it. You see all those patterns as SOG in it. It adds some grip to your hands. And this deep carry pocket clip is very nice. You can unscrew it here and then reverse the pocket clip. And this one is a safety lock. When you push it to the right, the blade is being locked, it's not coming out. And then when you push to the left, then the blade can come out. Okay, let me show you here. It came out fast. Here it says SOG Aegis. It's very cool, nice looking blade. There's jimping here. Not fancy points out because the blade is polished finish, so the jimping is not aggressive as the one with a black finish. Still very nice. And this is how you unlock the blade. Okay, let's look at further this way. Very fast. Fits in hand nicely. This is 3.5 inch. They also have the mini version, which is only a 3-inch blade. I like the larger blade. It looks better. Okay. Lock the blade and put the lock on. It's not coming out. You see I'm pushing it hard, but it's not coming out. And you release the safety lock, comes out easily. This knife on Amazon, I just bought it like recently. It only cost me around $38, less than 40. I searched on website on Google. Most places sells for around like $50. So I have the link below. I think it's a good time to get it. As for around less than $40, I do think it's a good deal. But still kind of expensive knife because it uses AS8 blade and the price range is a little high compared to other companies' knife. But I guess just some feature it adds to the SOG knife. This one Aegis is good, such as safety lock and the deep carry pocket. And of course the look of the blade. And there is assisted opening. Okay, let's look close again. Safety here. It's everyday carrying knife because it's very light. Weight's only 3.1 ounce according to the specification from the company. perfect in hand. I like the blade shape. There's big belly. You can cut everything nicely. And then when you carry in the pocket, it's not gonna. People won't notice it like all the other blades. And then when you put the safety on, it's safe. It's not coming up. But I guess most of the time I'll leave the safety off, so when I deploy the knife, it's fast. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below. Like I said, right now Amazon, the price is very low. It's only around $36. So grab it when you can. Thanks. Bye.